I have a few designs just here that I want to share with you. Now, these are all kind of pixelated retro designs. Now, these are all on my public profile as well, and what I'll do is link my public profile down in the description so you can come through and play around with these. Now, to play around with any of these prompts from the designs which you see just here is really simple. We can click onto the design, we can come over to the right hand side just here, and you're going to see the prompts that generated this design. Now you can easily click the plus icon, add it to the box up the top just here, then you can go through, you can change colours, you can change quotes, you can edit, modify and do whatever you want. Now if you like these designs just here and you want to create a lot more in this style, which is the retro pixelated design, then come and check out a little freebie which I also have for you. This is a little mini course called Prompt Playground. Now what this is going to allow you to do is take any one of my prompts from my Ideogram public profile, plug it into ChatGPT with a prompt as well, and then it's going to give you an unlimited amount of new prompts in that design style. Now there's modules for t-shirt designs, sticker designs, clip art designs and colour in page designs as well, because that's all of the things which you're going to find on my public profile. Now I will link this down in the description, and all you have to do is come over, plug in 0 here, click I want this, and then just go through the process. But again, it's going to show you how to take any of these designs and then create an unlimited amount of new prompts and in this style. Now I quickly just want to cover a few of these because I thought some of these looked really great. Some of these aren't that great, some of them are. I really like this one, this one, this one and this one. And if we take a closer look at these, we can see what these look like. Now I personally think that these would look amazing on a t-shirt, and the pixelated design style is actually also very popular. Now if we have a look over here, we have the magic prompt and the original prompt, so feel free to use any one of these as well. You can easily edit or modify these as well by changing colours, changing the character and also changing the quote. But nonetheless, I wanted you to see a closer look of this because I just absolutely love this design. Same with this one just here, Glitch Happens, which is a play on words. Now I really like the yellow, I really like the smiley face as well, and I personally would actually wear this if this was on a t-shirt. Now I still have two more that we're going to take a look at. Out of all of them, I do believe that this one is my favourite. This says small pixels, big vibes. I'm really loving the colour combination of this with the blue, the pinks and the yellows, with the robot and the sunglasses as well, all in that pixelated design style, which looks awesome. Now that's the third one. The fourth one, which we're quickly going to take a look at, is this one as well, and it says lagging in style. I really like the two different types of fonts used in this design, again with the colour combinations, and I just absolutely love this one as well. Now if we head on back over just to my profile just here, there's quite a few here. There's 6, 12, 18. So there's 18 designs here that you can play around with, use the prompts, edit and modify, and just have fun creating new designs. Now if you're wondering how I actually created these, it was by using one of my custom made GPTs. It's actually my quote t-shirt prompt generator. Now this is inside my IDEO Mastery course, which is just here. If you want to check this out as well, I'll also link this down in the description. But with the GPT, what I actually did was uploaded one of my previous designs. Now this one says low resolution, high confidence. What I did was said, this is a pixel style shirt design, and here's the prompt. I plugged in the prompt just here, and I put, can you give me a list of 10 quotes that would work well with this style? So I started getting some quotes, which are just here. I believe I asked for even more, which are just here. And then the great thing about this GPT is that you can ask for a design concept around one of these quotes. So I said, give me a design concept for this, and this is glitched but unbothered. So it gave me a full-blown design concept with the typography style, the illustration idea, the colour scheme, the background and layout, and then also the target audience. Now, what I actually said was now give me a prompt, but use a cat. So it's going to use all of this information just here and craft a prompt specifically around this design concept. And then that's what I got just here. Now, the good thing about these design concepts, if there's anything that you don't quite like within that design concept, you can easily go back and forth with ChatGPT, or my GPT, should I say, and change up the things that you don't like. But nonetheless, I went through creating lots of different design concepts and prompts, which in turn created all of these designs just here. And as you can see, they actually turned out incredibly well. Well, most of them anyway. There is a few in here which I don't quite like. But nonetheless, if you like any of these, come over to my public profile. I am going to link this down in the description, but come through, click on the designs, check out the prompts, edit, modify, and do whatever you want. Now, what you can also do is come through and give me a follow as well. The follow button isn't here because this is my own profile, but right here there'll be a little follow button. You can click on that, follow me, and then you can keep track of everything which I'm creating just here. Because as we can see, I have lots of cool designs here on my public profile, which you can come through and use however you want. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.